Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's update brings some fantastic news. Barcelona have taken a major step towards returning home to the Spotify Camp Nou. According to reports, the club has officially received the final construction certificate for Phase 1A of the rebuild. This doesn't guarantee an immediate opening, but it clears the way for tomorrow's decisive inspection by the City Council. For weeks, Barcelona have been racing against time. With Montjuic unavailable due to a Post Malone concert, the September 14th clash against Valencia was in doubt, and backup options like Girona's Montilivi were considered. But now, with this certificate secured, the dream of reopening Camp Nou is closer than ever. Let's take a look at the stadium itself, where construction work is advancing at full speed. On the lateral stand, protective nets have been added, while fresh concrete staircases at the corners are receiving finishing touches. These aren't just structural upgrades. They're visible signs that the stadium is preparing to welcome fans back safely. Concrete pours, reinforcement steel, and scaffolding are spreading across multiple levels, transforming the site day by day. In the Tribune, progress is just as exciting. The first elevator has been installed, complete with counterweights, a symbolic step towards modern accessibility. Around it, glass panels and aluminum frames shine under the light, while stairways are being finalized. Inside, VIP areas are taking shape with new slabs and premium flooring, putting this section on track to be among the first ready for fans. The gold stand is also changing rapidly. Large glass panels are already mounted, floodlights and railings are being secured, and protective nets now cover several sections. Another big surprise comes from the parking area. Once seen as one of the most delayed parts of the project, it is now progressing at lightning speed. Dozens of panels and pillars have gone up in days, with scaffolding and steel reinforcing the structure. Outside, heavy machinery works non-stop. Trucks deliver prefabricated seating, cranes lift massive pieces into place, and crews prepare surfaces for paving and drainage. With steel supports now in position to carry these iconic horizontal slats that will give Camp Nou its futuristic skin. At the very center, the pitch already looks spectacular. The grass is freshly cut in diagonal patterns, lines are painted, and although the goals are still temporary, the field itself looks match-ready. Just this view is enough to spark emotions in Barça fans worldwide, as their home feels within touching distance again. To wrap up, with the construction certificate secured and tomorrow's inspection ahead, Barcelona's return to Camp Nou is closer than ever. The Tribune is transforming with elevators and VIP zones. The gold stand gleams with glass. The parking structure is racing forward, and the pitch is already shining bright. If tomorrow's inspection delivers a green light, history could be made on September 14th against Valencia. If you enjoyed this update, give it a like, subscribe to GigaBuild's update, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with GigaBuild's update to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with fresh updates only here on Megabuilds Pro.